lightly numbing, spicy chicken wings done on the griddle. This one's Sichuan BBQ Chicken Wing. Guys, welcome back to Wok Wednesdays. I'm Jeremy Pang from School of Wok, London's premier Asian cookery school, and this week we're on the griddle with some chicken wings. Now when you go to northern China, you get different types of barbecued, skewered meats, and I love the chicken wings. I'm gonna cut these into, or split them in half, so you've got your drumettes and your wings, and then just sort of score through the skin on each piece to allow the flavour to go in when I get to that. And these dishes, or a dish like this, you can cook indoors like I am, or out on the barbecue, and the traditional way would be to just marinate it and then cook it from raw. I know a lot of people struggle with not burning your wings when you're barbecuing, and so I'm actually going to poach these first just to cook through and also tighten up the skin, make it that little bit more crisp when it finishes on the griddle. Just makes it a little bit more foolproof. So straight into your boiling water, and you want to poach those for about 10 minutes. And whilst those wings are poaching, it just gives me a bit of time to do other things as well, not just sort of focusing on the griddle. I've got a mixture of whole spices here, some fennel seeds, some cumin seeds, some Sichuan peppercorns, not too many. I've got about half a teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns and about a tablespoon of chili flakes. I'm gonna just toast those in a dry pan before I pound them in the pestle and mortar. And this will really bring the aroma out of the spices, and you'll get that sort of hit of the Sichuan peppercorns and chili quite quickly. You've got to be careful when you're toasting your spices because they can catch and burn very quickly. You're just going for that lovely sort of toasted, almost slightly nutty smell, and then take that off the heat. Now you can start pounding that pretty much straight away. Ooh, hear that crack. Ooh, that chili flake has got me. You get this immediate citrus hit from the Sichuan peppercorns, and that's the stuff that really numbs your tongue. What I like to do is use some of this in the marinade for the chicken wings, and then use the rest to make a sort of a spicy, numbing salt that you can dip the grilled chicken wings into as you eat. Just pop that to the side. I'm going to make a quick spring onion and coriander oil, and this is to brush over the top of the chicken as it's cooking on the griddle. Again, we can use it as a bit of a dipping sauce as well, or drizzle for later. So you need enough oil to be able to sizzle my spring onion and coriander mix. And all I'm going to do is season that with a bit of salt. You can see my chicken wings have been poached 10 minutes, and I'm just drained them, ready to marinade. Once that oil is smoking hot, you just pour it straight over your spring onion coriander mix. So that'll just give us sort of a lighter touch to the edge of that chicken skin as we're grilling the meat. The wings are now ready to marinade. They're still quite hot. You can see they're pretty well cooked already. I've got some bicarb here which will help to tighten up the skin once more, make them that extra bit more crispy. Some salt, good amount of salt. And then I've got my Sichuan pepper rub, which I'll make into a salt in a second. I don't want to go overboard, sort of 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of the rub should do just fine. So you get this nice sort of light brownish colour around each wing. Nothing too crazy there. You know, this sort of dish, you want the barbecue flavour or the griddle flavour and that smokiness to sort of form its own like sweet smoky flavour around the wings, and then you can add as much seasoning as you want after. I'm just going to mix the rest of this Sichuan pepper powder in with some salt and some brown sugar, and that will make my Sichuan pepper salt ready for later. And the classic way to do this is to skewer your wings, mainly so you can just keep turning them nice and easily. So with a griddle pan like this, you do want to get it to high heat to start. But even though I've poached my chicken wings, chicken skin can burn quite quickly. So it's best to bring the heat down to low to medium heat once you've had that initial blast of heat to get the pan hot enough. So that poaching process pretty much, I'd say, sort of speeds the whole thing up, and you'll be cooking for half the amount of time, but in my mind get pretty much the same flavour. Brushing this spring onion oil lightly over the top, so when the other side sears, you get a really lovely sort of salty spring onion coriander flavour. Remember, these chicken wings are cooked already, so I'm not too worried about any contamination from the brush. We can use this oil as a bit of a dipping oil later on too. Whoa, look at the crisp on those. And then once you've turned them, you want to oil the other side. You can see that lovely crisp skin on the top of those wings. Yeah, this is chilled out cooking. It's perfect sort of cooking for a hot summer's day. Got a lovely char on these wings. And whilst they're still hot, a little sprinkle of that Sichuan pepper, salt. Whoa, look at that. There you've got my charred Sichuan pepper wings. I love the crisp that you get around the edge from the poaching and the baking powder. A little dip won't hurt. Oh, that is great. Really simple cooking. If you like this recipe, you want to learn more simple recipes like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you for more chicken wings and more food.